What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're new. My name is Julianna. I am so glad you guys clicked on this video. Today we're going to be vlogging. I love vlogging because I love sharing with you guys my life and what I do every day. So basically I have some laundry over here that I need to get done, and I have an assignment that I need to get done because it's Sunday. It's due tonight at midnight and I have not really finished it. I have started it and kind of got some sources for the assignment, but I haven't completely finished it, so I need to finish it. I need to wash my bedding too. We have a lot to do today. It's Sunday. It's that prep day for the beginning of the week and to get your week going smoothly. So we're gonna do the laundry, we're gonna do the stuff that needs to get done, and then we're gonna read probably and just relax because it's Sunday, you know, it's a relaxing day. So let's go ahead and get started with our day, even though it's like 1 o'clock. Hey guys. Anyways, so we just went to the grocery store. We got groceries, a few things back there. We got some rotisserie chicken and it's gonna be so good. We're gonna make sandwiches out of it, and then we're going to eat some chips along with it. It's gonna be so good. And I got some rice packets, so I'm really excited. Are you excited? He's not in an ease mood. Anyways, we're going home now. It's really hot outside. It's like 97 degrees. It's so freaking hot. But anyways, so we're gonna head home, and yeah.
Sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, someone's calling, it's not me, they'll scream and talk about your destiny, but sunshine.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I didn't really accomplish much yesterday, but it is Monday. It is September 19th and it is 12:28 p.m. Now, I woke up like 2 hours ago and I am just gonna kind of get on with my day. Pretty much, I've just been playing my Nintendo Switch all morning. I have really been obsessed with Animal Crossing. I feel like I'm making some progress with the game, so yeah, I'm a gamer. I'm sorry, I can't really deny that, but I love gaming and playing video games. I also have a PS2, 3, and 4. It's technically not mine, it's my fiance's, but he lets me use them all the time. So I like to play like Call of Duty Black Ops on the PS3 mainly. I don't really use the PS4. When we first got together, we were really playing this game called Borderlands 3, and I'm really obsessed with that game too, but we have not played it in a minute. So we really need to get back on that. I need to tell him about that. So yeah, he's at work right now. I'm gonna do my laundry, but my grandma has laundry going right now, so I can't necessarily do that. I am going to light a candle. I'm also gonna take my greens because I use Arbonne products. I don't know if you guys know what Arbonne is, but it says Arbonne MLM. I use their products and I use to take my greens, my skin elixir, my gut health, and then I also take a fizz. So let's go do that.
You're the one who has to pay. And one thing's for sure, I'm bringing out the cheap champagne. Raise the glass and celebrate us being done. 'Cause love ain't enough. Easy for you to hang up the phone. Now you're crying alone. Simply confusing how you could be so close but still so out of reach. but now you stay hung up on me. Hung up on me.
Y'all, I look like a whole new freaking person now. I did my makeup and I've been loving this MAC Studio Fix foundation. And I love the makeup that I've been using. I use like Cover FX, MAC, Kopari, and all that kind of stuff. So I really like that I did my makeup today because my eyeshadow is really pretty. If you guys want a tutorial on this look, let me know because I would love to make it because I love this look. It's just so cute. So I'm gonna go make me some food. I'm really hungry and that's what we gonna do.
You're the one who has to pay. And one thing's for sure, I'm bringing out the cheap champagne. Raise a glass and celebrate us being done. 'Cause love ain't enough.
Hi everyone, welcome. It is like 2 days later. It is Saturday. Oh my gosh, no, it is not Saturday. It is Wednesday, September 21st, and I am going to just end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn that bell notification on. And thank you so much for 250 subscribers. Sorry, 350 subscribers. I so appreciate it. I love you guys so much and I appreciate your support and your love daily, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.